Thank you so much for tuning on today's video. It's going to be a preparation for fall, cleaning, tidying up, and organizing certain areas, a couple of areas of my house, my fridge and a cabinet that I am actually sorting things out and reviewing what I have there. And I hope that you get motivated and get inspired by the content today. And just to remind you that we're getting ready for that beautiful fall coming up, and this is part of a collaboration. And I want to give a huge thank you to Michaela for putting these collab and getting us all together to partner and collaborate together to do these for you guys. So there will be obviously a playlist for you guys to enjoy and watch it once you're done with my video. And go ahead and check out Michaela's at Our Little Bloom. That's her YouTube channel, and let her know I sent you. And I hope you guys enjoy. If you happen to be new to my channel, I am Jessica Myrose. I am a mom of 2 little boys. We live here in Arizona, and we're a busy mom. I am a wife. I work part-time. We do a lot of lifestyle, wellness, motherhood, homemaking, just a little bit of everything. So I hope you guys stick around, subscribe, like this video, and let's go ahead Once again, I want to thank Michaela at Our Little Bloom for putting this collab together and being able to share with you guys all the fall vibes. The beginning of this season is always so wonderful, and what a great way than having a clean and organized space. So we're going to go ahead and clean up our fridge and organize it a little bit. I don't remember when was the last time I did this cleaning, so it was really needing to be reorganized and clean the cabinets and the drawers really good. So here it is. Stuff, baby, this evening. I need some hot stuff, baby, tonight. I want some hot stuff, baby, this evening. Gotta have some hot stuff, gotta have some love tonight. Oh, I need some hot stuff. No. I want some hot stuff. Now moving up, I need to clean this area because it's completely a mess, as you can tell over here. I have no idea what even is in here, so I will probably be getting rid of a lot of these things and reorganize and declutter, clean, and wipe the surface because it also was pretty dusty in here. So let's go ahead and get this motivation. So long, I've been sleeping all alone. Lord, I miss you. I've been hanging on the phone. I've been sleeping all alone. I wanna kiss you sometimes. Ooh, 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 sleep. You've been staring in my dreams. Lord, I miss you. Sure. I've been waiting in the hall. I've been waiting for your call. Your phone rings and it's just some friend of mine that say, hey,
What's the matter with you, man? We're gonna come around 12 with some Puerto Rican girls. They are just dying to meet you. We're gonna bring a case of wine and let's go mess and fool around like we used to. Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah.
All right, everyone. So while we're in the topic of fall, I would love to hear from you guys. What is one of those things that makes you warm, fuzzy, cozy, and that you love and must have every fall season? For me, I will tell you right now, it's a nice cozy blanket and chai. A chai tea latte. Oh, that is the best I could have to get me with this fall season. So let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you guys, and I hope you continue enjoying this organization of this cabinet.
Des yeux qui font baisser les miens, un rire qui se perd sur sa bouche. Voilà le portrait sans retouche de la femme à qui j'appartiens. Quand elle me prend dans ses bras, quand elle me parle tout bas, moi je vois la vie en rose. Quand je la prends dans mes bras, elle me parle tout bas, je vois la vie en rose. Elle me dit des mots d'amour, des mots de tous les jours, et ça me fait quelque chose. Il est entré dans mon cœur une vague de bonheur dont je connais la cause.
We are towards the end of today's episode, you guys. I hope you're feeling inspired, and I really appreciate your support coming to hang out with me here on my YouTube channel at Jessica Myrose. Don't forget, there's a playlist for this collaboration. Go ahead and give the other YouTubers some love, support, and let them know I sent you. And if you happen to be brand new to my channel, feel free to check out more of my content that I have for you to offer. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and I will see you guys on my next video.